Morning, all of school. My name's Garen. I'm with Recology. Raise your hand if you've seen me here before in all of school. So you remember, okay. I've got Dee Johnson here with me. She's with the Novato Sanitary. And we're going to talk today about what goes in each of those things and what happens. It's up here. It has to go somewhere. My trucks drive all your garbage. Everything you put in the garbage can, we take it and we push it into a big hole called the landfill. You guys know about the landfill, right? Yeah. There's a landfill here in Novato. There's a landfill. The landfill is a big hole. Imagine a hole 100 times bigger than that. $5. Would you bury that and then throw it away? Yeah. You could use that, right? You could use that to buy some food. You could use that to buy a toy. You would not throw away $5, so why would you throw in the garbage something that could be used for something else? So the Waste Free Warriors talked about the 3 R's, which are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Excellent job. So we want to be doing those in order. We want to be reducing. And so my Waste Free Warriors here are holding the lunchbox pyramid. And the lunchbox pyramid is a way that you can help reduce your waste and reuse the things that you are doing before you even have to. Now, other things that you can do other than reuse is compost, right? Compost is for all of your food. You guys do a great job here, but the compost is for food and food soil paper only. That means napkins or triggers. So who's recognized one of these? You guys seen these before? So in that compost, any food that you don't eat, uneaten food in your lunch, you're so full, you took a couple bites of that apple and you can't eat the rest of it, you put that in the green can, right? You wouldn't put it in the blue can because in the blue can we don't want any food at all. Other stuff you can put in there is your napkin, right? You wipe your face off, it's all dirty. Even though it's made out of paper, we don't want that to recycle because we don't want any food to recycle. So your used napkins can go in there, and then whatever's left over, if you have an apple and you did eat all of it, you don't need the core of an apple, right? You could, but you don't want to. So you throw that in the compost too. And that compost goes to Novato. There's a facility that creates compost. You might also have things, if you didn't bring a reusable water bottle, you might have a plastic water bottle. Now that can go in the recycle, right? We want things like hard plastic, plastic water bottles, plastic cups, things that you can knock on and it is hard. We don't want things like soft plastic. Like I said, the things that we want to avoid altogether, maybe don't bring these in your lunch at all, are wrappers. Things that are wrapped in single-use plastic, because we use that plastic one time. That plastic, you last for, what, 5 minutes while you're eating something? When you put that plastic in the landfill, when you put it in the garbage, that plastic could last up to 1,000 years. 1,000 years. I want you to think about this. Any piece of plastic that has ever been made has never ever broken down. Now that you can train them, now that I feel like you guys know pretty well what's going on, I am going to grab some volunteers. And my volunteers are going to come up here. We're going to pick something off the table. And we're going to see if they can tell us where that should go. Whether it should go into the garbage, whether it should go into the recycle, or whether it should go into the compost, or maybe it can't even go into one of those. Certain things can't even go into one of those. So if you can do that correctly, you might win a prize. I want you in the blue shirt right there.
Layla.
All right, Layla is going to show us what she knows. Come over to the table over here. Why don't you grab something off the table? Something you think you know about. Show everybody what you got. She has an aluminum can. It's made out of metal. Where, Layla, do you think that aluminum can should go? In the recycle bin. What do you guys think? Is that yes or no?